Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. Today I was going to play with my pumpkin spice pad. I had some random projects that I was going to make, so I thought I'd combine that into one video because they should all be fairly quick projects. So I'll just combine them, and I have everything already cut and planned out, or at least planned out. Some of it's cut, but that way it'll make the process a little quicker, and I can put them all into one, and we can just have some crafty time together. So I hope you guys enjoy. So here is the final review of what I ended up making, like all of my little miscellaneous projects here. So I have the 2 Thanksgiving wine tags, and then 6 of the hot cocoa pockets. And I don't remember, I may have made a few extra off camera. After I was done, I kind of realized, oh, there's a few more I could make. But these are just like 5x7 cello bags, and fits the hot cocoa packet, and I ended up I had a bunch of these caramel apple suckers left from Halloween, and then just put in a little Hershey bar. But then these are all packaged up and ready to go for this weekend's craft show. And then I just flip through. I think these are my favorite. I love the Hello Fall cup. It was just like perfect size to make one of these. I did 2 of these Fall Days Are Here Again. I'm very fond of you, and come in and cozy up. And then scrapbook pages. I have 8 layouts here. I think because I do duplicates, I did some on camera with you, and then some, like the duplicate versions of those, I did off camera. So I think I may have made 3 with you, but was just trying to use up some of the extra scraps and some of the larger sheets that I had of like the specific fall prints. And this was nice. I totally cut into that 12x12 sheet that said pumpkin spice and everything nice. It became titles on a bunch of them. I even went into the other pad I have, my other pumpkin spice pad, and pulled those out because I knew I probably wasn't going to use them for anything, you know, big next year, next time I use that pad. So it just became titles for a lot of things. And then ended up stamping some pumpkins and using scraps like to die cut and stamp pumpkins and leaves and gourds just for some additional decoration. So I tried to pepper those in. I don't remember which ones you saw me make on camera, but because I do make pages for myself and my daughters, there are duplicates of pictures. If not, like, you know, sometimes I can actually do the same page if the pictures match and if I have the same papers and embellishments. And like in this case, there was an extra picture on mine, but these are the girls' layouts. So this is another pumpkin patch from another year, or same pumpkin patch, different year. And again, tried to make the ones duplicate if I could. I was able to use some chipboard gourd embellishments that I had. Fall Y'all, this was just a border strip from the cut apart sheet. Brought in some rub-ons from an old fall rub-on set. I fussy cut this set of foxes out of a larger 12 by 12 image. And then we have duplicates of this Thanksgiving, pretty much duplicates of the Thanksgiving layout, just different orientation of some of the cut aparts here. So, but I went in and fussy cut out from some of the border strips, the different images that went with Thanksgiving, you know, like coffee and pies. So really tried to make as much use of the fall or Thanksgiving themed items as I could, because my next project is going to be not specific to fall. I mean, so stay tuned for that. And then I think I have that, maybe 2 more videos coming with this pad, and then hopefully that will finish this off, because I need to move on to Christmas, and you may actually see some Christmas projects peppered in here in the mix of all this, because I also need to get some Christmas projects done for craft shows, and we'll share those as well. But hope you guys got some inspiration, and hopefully it's not too late for some fall projects for you. Thanks so much for your time, and hope you'll have a very crafty day.